Hello, 1913 here, and today I have a quick unboxing of the Canon Selphy CP910. So pretty much what this is a compact printer. So you can print 4x6 photos off of your smartphone or pretty much any smart device through Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it says Wi-Fi printing. So this is the black model. It also comes in white. So here's the front. Here's the side, again, black. This is a picture of it. Back, pretty much what it's compatible with. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to open your ink cartridge, which is right here, or ink cassette. Be really careful with it. So there's an arrow indicator here, so that's how you insert it to the ink cassette until it stops. Close the lid. Next, you're going to open covers, all of that, and also the pieces of paper that came with it. I think there's about 10 photos here. Yeah, so these are the actual physical photos. So then you're going to open the front compartment. I'm going to take this, open it once, open it twice, and insert the sheets of paper. So you're going to open this plastic tray. This is how you'll insert it into the printer till it snaps. So next, I'm going to plug this in and turn it on for the first time. So here's the home button. It's not touchscreen. Press the menu button and you can change different settings. So like Wi-Fi settings, connection settings, so you connect to Wi-Fi. And to go back, there's a back button. So the print finish, all of that, depending what you're printing. All of it, which is really great. So this does support SD cards and a whole ton of other SD cards. Obviously, if you're watching this video and you have one of these, then you can just look in your manual and it'll show you. So pretty much you just insert the SD card till it clicks. That means it's in, and now it's saying busy as it loads the photos. So you can pick certain photos to print. So as you can see, there's different options. You can edit it by cropping it. So you just press the edit button if you want to edit it. I don't. There's different functions. If you want to zoom in, you can, or zoom back out. Also, a very big note, make sure you press 1 right there on the plus sign. Right there. Because if you don't, it won't print. So make sure it's at a 1 if you want it to get printed. So on my phone, I'm just getting the Canon Print Selphy app, and it looks like it's free. So I'm just installing that. So when connecting to a Wi-Fi network, I've decided to do it manually. So I'm just entering my SSID into the printer. So when connecting to your smartphone, pretty much after I connect the Selphy app, I go to direct connection, which is in my menu section, Wi-Fi settings, connection settings, and press OK, and then go to direct connection. Then on your smartphone, it should have the Canon or the Canon printer's name on it, and then you connect to that. And then you put the password that's displayed on the printer. And this is the screen you have. So then you select a photo from your photos, and then as you can see, you can do different things with it, and then you click print, and then it says printer, and then Now on the screen, as you can see, it says busy because it's connecting to the phone. And now it's printing.